So today we are spending money there and we're coming to spend money here. There's more work to be done. As you can see, I don't know how best to show you my finger. You can see this dust has got ugly marks on. And again, the pads are fat. So I assume these people just kept replacing brake pads. Now who tries to steal Polo Vivo, man? Just break the window. That's the name of the place. And I must say, after that polish of yesterday, this car looks stunning. The space place. I'll show you guys later what the other one looks like. This is the one I need to replace as well. You can see someone used a screwdriver in here. That's the name of the place. And I must say, after that polish of yesterday, this car looks stunning. So yeah, this is the last piece of the jigsaw. Car's licensed on my name, CF number plate, so we sorted. So we're at the place called MC Automotive because I need this strip here. I think at some point someone wanted to break into the car with a screwdriver. Now it doesn't affect the way the door seals, but let's just get it replaced. They're breaking up a Polo Vivo inside. So this is the replacement weather strip that I got yesterday at the space place. Good morning everyone and welcome to the drive-by. So today I plan to finish up everything on the Polo Vivo that I couldn't get done due to time constraints. I'm just gonna get the setup brake disc somewhere because this brake disc is mukh on the one side. From what I can see, there's people who ever own the car, it looks like they just kept replacing pads because the brake pads are new, but the one disc is, I can't swear now, but it's past its lifespan. So yeah, I'm gonna check at Midas probably or Volkswagen, whoever's closer, and then I'll see who can fit it. And then I need to find the door seal on the passenger side because it looks like someone might have tried to break into the car in this car's previous life. I replaced the one strip yesterday, which was the easy one, which runs at the bottom of the window here basically. But the one that runs on the outer side, you can see someone use like a screwdriver or something. Bro Space in Brackenfell has the outer strip that I need. I don't know what you call it, window trim. I'll take you guys with me, stay tuned. And the Polo is there about done. Using it as a daily. Yesterday was the first time I put in fuel since I bought the car last weekend Tuesday. And last weekend Tuesday I think I put in a 250. I threw in a 250 again. And this is probably gonna last till next week. Perfect ultimate daily that is extremely fuel efficient. Chat soon. Okay, so here is a Dunlop Express right across the road from Midas. Sorry for the wind noise. So there's two different discs, so I'm just gonna hear what's the price to fit, then I can take a sample across. I'm in a negotiating mood today. I don't want to spend a lot of money. So today we are spending money there and we're coming to spend money here. There's more work to be done. Okay, so I got a good price of 400 Rand for both, which is good. This is not too bad, but there is quite a ridge here as well. I don't know if you can see here by my finger there's a ridge, but yeah, I'll show what the passenger side looks like. So this is a problem. As you can see, I don't know how best to show you my finger. You can see this dust has got ugly marks on. And again, the pads are fat. So I assume these people just kept replacing brake pads. So yeah, I did start feeling a small wobble, but let's get that sorted out. already loosened the nut that does that, which is that one. And there we go. And now we go to Midas. Oh, so we have Midas scales river. Let's get a disc. Cool. So we've got the brake discs. Now we just need to check if it's the same size. That's the back. And that's the front. That's what you want the disc to look like. Now we check if they're the same size. Looks like it. Same. Perfecto. So put this side and then tackle the other side. So this costs $350 each. The initial price is actually $450, so I already said 200 rand for the tag. Let's keep going. See how far I can get. I don't know what type of braking does this, to be honest. Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, this disc was done. Give you guys an idea, that's what it should look like. This was the disc on the driver's side. Just had a reef, but probably also on its way out, so it makes sense just to do both. So, almost done. We're basically done. And I scored another 50 rand off. So yeah, I'm just winning today. Okay, so we are done and that went surprisingly quick. I think that in total was probably just about 30 to 45 minutes. Just pumping the brakes the whole time just so that the piston can go back to where it needs to be, but it already feels better. So yeah, that's sorted. Let's go to Bro Space because I still need that strip there. And then this car will basically be ready to be sold. So far so good, everything is fine, car drives nice and it's doing everything that it should. Just driving about 80 and I'm going to apply the brakes now. Feels nice and smooth, which is good. And yeah, safety first. Okay, so we're turning onto the R300 now. This car drives lekker, I must say. I am enjoying driving this car. It's not slow and it moves with the throttle pedal, if that makes sense. It doesn't feel airy and it's doing what it needs to do. Oh, checking blind spot. Let's move. And the journey is not that far. Like I said, it's probably about a 10 minutes drive. So I'm just going to get up to 120 quickly. It's going to downshift here. So we're doing almost 120. Just going to slightly apply the brakes. Nice. That's good. So one thing sorted for the day. Hopefully this is the last item now. I'll catch you guys on that side. Going on Old Pole and I just realized I'm driving with the plate on in front. But it looks pretty. That is the back. Just fetching the rubber here somewhere quickly, and I don't think I'm gonna save money here today. Cool. So this is the car, and this is exactly the strip that we need. That one, and it runs right around. Okay, so I must take the mirror off to take this off. The bottom one came off easy, but yeah, the mirror must come off. The glass need to drop down. Okay, so it's off. Window just needs to be down, mirror needs to come off. That slides inside. This one's in perfect condition, and like I mentioned, this goes here and it goes down there and down there. There's gonna be such a mess to put on. So we are leaving here now. I'm very disappointed. I didn't save a cent. I didn't save a single cent. Anyway, I'll probably go to jump there and then I'll fit it later at home. What a mission that's gonna be, because that cover there needs to come off, then the mirror needs to come off. I need to roll the window down. I can probably do it with the door cord on. That had to come loose. This is a lot of work. Came out easy, but now the trouble starts. That is how we do it. Sorted. So we back home now. I did budget to spend more for the day, but we got some discounts wherever we went. So you guys would see this in the cost of ownership video once the car is sold. But yeah, $350 to fit the discs, $450 for that strip on the door, and the 2 discs for $690.
Album first, and then we can jump off from that. Dawson is in the building this coming weekend, of course, the Cape Town International Jazz.
Yeah, so the 7 is at the back there. Nah, so I park the Vivo here quickly, but this one looks at home here. So yeah, I'll probably see this car again. I don't know when, but hopefully this car gets sold soon as well.